Hi guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch with another neat toy for your pickup truck. You know I like toys. Yeah, I have another one. Guess what it's about? You're right. What the heck is this? This is great. I think the police carry these, don't they? So anyway, this is called the stake hand. Stake, like stake trucks, S-T-A-K-E, not meat. Stake hand. And stake, because it's for a stake truck. Most pickup trucks have stake holes in them. And hand, because you can put it in your hand. And this is a really, really neat device. One more, I'm sorry, dear, to keep making you move around. But the stake hand sits right there. Just like that. Stake hand, there's the picture of it. Stake hand. Okay, I'll get Kevin to make a close-up of that. And the stake hand is just about that easy. When you're ready to get into the truck, particularly if you're over 45 years of age, like me. I'm about 40 years over 45 years of age, not quite. But anyway, if you're older, then all you do is you walk up to the back of your pickup truck, you drop the soft drop pickup tailgate, you take the stake hand, drop it into the hole, kick down your old man step, and have you seen anybody get onto a pickup truck more easily than that? I doubt it. I doubt it, and I'm old. When it's time to leave, I just walk over to my favorite corner, the one with the stake hand, and the old man step down, ba-da-ba-doo, like that. I'm off, take the stake hand, put it away, tailgate away. Okay, girls, jump in. And I'm ready to go partying in town. It's just that easy. The stake hand, not expensive. I forget exactly the cost, but Kevin's going to put a place on there for you to see where they look. And if it is something that is, as I have found, that you need a hand, why not make it a stake hand? It's pretty slick. How long does it take me to put it in? Well, here's the problem. It took me about 10 minutes. And the instructions, it says 5 minutes. And the only reason it took me 10 minutes is I did not park the pickup truck over in front of the garage. I parked it here in the gravel and the grass, and I kept dropping screws. That's the only reason. Basically, to put it in, there's a plate with 4 screws. One blade goes down to the hole, and you screw them up tight, just that easy. And then there's a clip on the inside, which you screw to the inside. No, it does not come through the outside, and you're done. Let's take in. Pretty slick, check it out. Maybe something worth thinking about. Makes a heck of a nice gift, for your old friends. Okay, guys, there you go. The stake hand. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.